Hi, I'm Nikki Moore. I've worked with Fine & Country since 2016 and became partner of the Leamington branch in July 2018. We are a local, national and international agency with over 300 offices worldwide. I've lived in the area my whole life, so have intimate knowledge of the local schools, facilities and village life around Warwickshire. I'm very passionate about property and I'm always happy to provide a bespoke, tailor-made plan to aid my sellers move, using Fine & Country's incredible marketing tools. I have many 5-star reviews from happy buyers and sellers on the All Agents review site, so when working with me you can be sure you're in safe hands. I have a keen eye for detail and my enthusiasm comes to the forefront when building relationships with people and finding them their dream home. I live with my husband Stuart, son Rory and best friend Dolly. Stuart and I enjoy renovation projects. In my spare time, I enjoy spending time in the countryside, walking my dog and riding and competing my horse, which I've done since a young age. Thank you for taking the time to watch. Have a great day.